Good evening, this is Carla Hartley. It is June 2nd, 2020, and I bring good tidings of the court's phased reopening and a little bit of a movement in that direction in Ventura County. Talking about any other county, just Ventura County. So previously, I mentioned to you guys as the court was starting to look towards reopening in mid-May, commencing May 13th, we were able to file certain things in the family courts that were non-emergencies. This was stipulations that resolved contested issues that were before the court. So if there was a hearing that was supposed to be coming up on calendar and we resolved that, we could file the stipulation on that. We were also able to file requests to take matters off calendar and requests for dismissals. I think all of that was part and parcel of the court trying to get a handle on just what kind of workload the family law courts are going to be facing here in Ventura County when they reopen. So right now, I can tell you that we got the order published today, that all of that stuff, well, not all of it, but a lot of the stuff we've been stacking up and getting ready for filing in the past 12 weeks, we can now file the following. Actually, not now. We can file it tomorrow, June 3rd. So I'm so proud of our staff with the quick turnaround. We've already got our stuff queued and ready to go as soon as we are able to start filing. I've got an amazing tech-savvy staff, and we've had our stuff ready to go. These documents that are relevant to the matters I'm going to discuss right now are already uploaded and ready for filing. They'll be automatically emailed as soon as the time we're permitted to do so ticks by. So in addition to what I already discussed as being able to file since May 13th, starting June 3rd, we are able to file all other stipulations and orders, all other settlement agreements. So not just stuff that's resolving matters that are on calendar for the court right now, but other things that the court maybe didn't even know was in dispute. We can settle those items right now. Well, if we've settled it, we can file it right now to speak more appropriately. All right, so we can file proofs of service. We have so many proofs of service in our office, and it's just such a relief to be able to get all of those queued up and filed. We can file all satisfactions of judgment, and we can file writ returns. And writ returns are things that are done primarily to enforce support orders and, attorney fee orders and stuff like that. So you're probably not as concerned about those. We're happy about it, and many of our clients are happy about it. The final thing that we are opened up to be able to file, it's not going to be we able to file it, all Department of Child Support Services filings that have been, I imagine, processed in the meantime, can be filed starting June 3rd. So we're expecting a rush at the courthouse. We're still not open for walk-in filing. We contacted through channels some people at the courthouse and learned that we are able to file only by email or by U.S. mail. So they're still not taking people actually coming in and delivering documents. And they don't have a drop box, which makes sense given everything else that's going on. That's my good news. And I'm going to ride that good news into a pleasant evening, and I am going to enjoy going to work tomorrow and seeing the stack of stuff that we have had building up that needs to be filed is substantially reduced, and we are once again going to be permitted to do our job. Right now, the word we are hearing is that the court is going to be reopening officially. The last day of closure is June 9th. It's our understanding that June 10th, 11th, and 12th, the court will still not be open, the family courts will still not be open to hearing non-emergency matters for non-emergency appearances. However, that is a 3-day extension of this partial closure, and we're seeing hope. We're seeing a light at the end of the tunnel, and as my husband likes to say, it is not an oncoming train. So I will be in touch with you when I have more good news, and I hope you have a pleasant evening.